the verb to be. The verb to be in English has two meanings. Affirmative: I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, you are, we are, they are. For example, the cat is at home. I'm a teacher. Anne, she. Anne is happy. She is happy. John, he. John is happy. He is happy. John and Anne, they. John and Anne are happy. They are happy. Vase, it. The vase is beautiful. You are happy. Verb to be negative. For example, I have not, you are not, he is not, she's not. Anne is not happy. She isn't happy. Verb to be questions and short answers. For example, am I? Yes, I am. Is Anne happy? No, she isn't happy. Let's practice. Put the verb to be in the correct form. Great job! For more exercises, visit our website, Vivamova.com.